Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. And welcome to second question of the same passage. And the direction for question is answer the following questions based on the information given below. Now, as we have understood the passage, let's go to the question. The question stated, according to the passage, which of the following scenarios would most likely be considered unjust under just war theory, right? So the question is asking which scenarios, right, uh, would most likely be considered unjust, not fair or right, under just war theory, right? Is a set of principles that determines when it is acceptable to go to war, mainly focusing on, you can say that self-defense, right? So let's look at the choice. The first choice stated a nation launching a military strike after being directly attacked, right? So if you see this, what do we find out here? Okay, so if we see that, we can find out here that a nation launching a military strike after being directly attacked. So this scenario describes a country responding to an actual attack. So according to just war theory, this is self-defense, isn't it? Self-defense. A nation launching a military strike after being directly attacked. So in that case, we can say this is just a self-defense and would be considered fair, right or not? Uh, but it is asking about what? Unjust. And this one is just, right? Second, a nation attacking another country based on intelligence of a future threat. Just imagining future threat is there, so therefore means attacking. So we can say that this scenario describes a country attacking another based on the what? Possibility of a future attack. Possibility of a future attack. Not an immediate threat. This is a, you can say that preemptive strike, and is often seen as, you can say that unjust, right? Unjust, unjust, you can say under just war theory because it is based on guesses or prediction. So we can say that this would be correct, right? Now, three, a coalition of nations intervening to stop a genocide in a neighboring state. Now, this scenario involves what? Multiple countries coming together to stop a mass killing, which is called as a genocide. Even though it is an intervention, it aligns with the idea of protecting innocent lives, innocent lives. So which can be considered a form of self-defense or moral duty, making it just. So this one is also supporting that the scenario uh, to self-defense, isn't it? So not self-defense, you can say that one is a self-defense, three is indicating now on the basis of the theory, it is correct, right? Next, if we talk about the option four, a country defending itself against an invasion by a hostile power. Country defending itself against an invasion by a hostile power. Like you can talk about means some countries which are recently involved in a war. So we can say this particular situation describes a country defending itself against an invader. This is a clear case of nothing but a self-defense, right, which is considered just under just war theory. So hence we can say option two would be correct because the just war theory primarily supports action taken in, you can say, self-defense against a direct attack. Therefore, we can say option one and four involved a direct, one and four directly involves what? Um, After an actual attack or invasion, so they are considered just, right? Just. So option three involves, you can say, intervention to stop a genocide, which is aligned with an expanded interpretation of self-defense to protect innocent lives. Therefore, it is also just. And if you talk about option two, involves attacking on predicted future threat rather than responding to an immediate direct attack. The passage criticizes are preemptive, isn't it? Uh, Preemptive strikes for being based on uncertain threats, making them likely to be considered unjust under just war theory. So, hence, we can say the correct answer is option two, right? Because it involves preemptive strikes, which is seen as unjust. You cannot just guess or predict the something will happen in the future, so you attack at present, right? According to the principles discussed in the passage. Hence, the answer should be option two. Hope you understood this. That's all. Thank you.